Hi everyone, you're cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm going to show you that how to bake a snapper. Plus I'm going to show you that how to clean it, how to marinate it, and how I'm going to bake in the oven. So first of all, I'm going to show what are the ingredients we need it for. I got a snapper, big snapper. Look at that big snapper, big man here. So I'm going to cook him off today. This is my dinner. Look at that beautiful wings. He's alive. Look, I imagine when he's alive, he's gonna bite you up. Woo! Look at that. Anyway, I got a big snapper. I might need 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Soy sauce, I might use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I got some chopped parsley, finely chopped. I got some salt. I got some pepper. I got lemon juice, one lemon here. And I have 2 tablespoons chili flakes. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to use this one because I like a bit spicy, so I'm gonna use that one today. I've got some chopped onion and I have lemongrass. I got some cherry tomato. I'm gonna use it for cooking. I have fresh ginger. I got 12 cloves of garlic. I got some olive oil here. I got 2 tablespoons of Napoli sauce. This is optional, guys. I got 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You can use apple cider or red wine vinegar. It's up to you guys. So first of all, I'm gonna make the seasoning. 50 milliliters of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of Napoli sauce. I'm gonna add my chili flakes in here. I'm gonna squeeze my lemon juice. Make sure you get the seeds out, otherwise it's gonna give you a bitter taste. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use my mortar. I'm gonna get the lemongrass. I'm gonna chop them up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add it here. I'm gonna grind my half of garlic. I'm gonna put in my mixture. Now I'm gonna get my ginger. I'm gonna grind my ginger. Then you're gonna mix it up here. Then you get some onion, handful of onion, and then you're gonna grind them too. Then I'm gonna add my onion into the paste. So I'm gonna mix my all the ingredients together. Just get the seasoning well. So this is how you make the seasoning for the fish. So look guys, the smell is so amazing. Freshness, lemongrass, parsley, onion and ginger, garlic. So it's amazing guys, it's really nice. I add some chili flakes because this is go towards the Sri Lankan style or Malaysian style, or whoever like spices, you know, the South American style, whoever likes spices, and the African style. But if you don't like the chili, if you don't like the spicy, you don't have to use the chili flakes, but the rest of the ingredients you may need it. Now I'm gonna add water, or you can add chicken stock. 1/4 cup of water or 1/4 cup of chicken stock will be nice now. So I'm gonna add chicken stock, 1/4 cup of chicken stock. This is the seasoning we're gonna make it for this snapper. Let's move to the next step. I'm gonna show you that how to clean the snapper. Okay, this is a snapper guys. What are you gonna do? You're not gonna cut off these wings. I need it, or if you want to cut it off, you can cut it off. So once you serve like this, it looks like a real fish and you feel to eat it. You feel to kill it actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean inside all the dirts and guts. You use the tip of your knife, you're gonna stab it, and then you're gonna cut towards to the its mouth. So you're gonna cut in this way. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna go toward its mouth and you're gonna cut this way and then you're gonna get all the dirts. So make sure you use your hand, guys. So you can cut it through it because you're gonna season inside too. So make sure you open it properly because you don't want to bake fish dirts. That's inside, guys. This is done cleaning inside. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna scrape the scales. So you're gonna clean the scales. You're gonna start from the tail side and you're gonna scrape down towards his mouth. So as you can see, the scales coming off. Then you're gonna flip it over. Then you're gonna start from the tail again. Scrape down towards his mouth. Make sure you scrape down all the scales. So I'm gonna wash it off this and then I'm gonna season it. So now I'm gonna wash this one. I'm gonna use the cold water, the running water. So make sure the water not split into you, and slowly get the old scale off and the dirts inside you, the dirts inside the fish. Let it wash it off. Let's wash this one off. So all the bloody parts, all the organs, if you can grab this one out, so that would be the great. So see, guys, so now you can even feel it. There's no scales. So this is done, guys. So that's how you wash the fish. So I'm gonna season the fish now. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. Look, my fish is here, my seasoning is here. I'm gonna give a good massage to this fish with my seasoning. So let's see how I'm gonna season my snapper. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to give a cut. So I'm gonna give a few cuts. It's depend, guys, the size of the fish. So you can just cut once or twice or thrice or 4 times, it's up to you. So I'm gonna give a few cuts because I want the seasoning go into the flesh of the fish. So make sure you do not cut it off, just the meat. So then you're gonna turn around and then you're gonna cut in that way. Do not cut through. Just give a nice, make sure you use a really nice sharp knife. I'm gonna use my oil spray and spray my pan with a lot of oil. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna grab your seasoning. So you can use the hands and you're gonna make sure you're gonna let these seasons go through this meat and all the cut through and the top of it, top of the fish. And then you're gonna add into the fish. You can add a little bit more into the fish. Find the flesh where the flesh are. So give a nice seasoning, guys, through your tails and the wings. Every part of fish need to be seasoned properly. It's a bit look messy, guys, don't worry. So at the end of the day, you're gonna get a beautiful meal into your mouth. So you make sure you open his mouth and put some seasoning too. So that's how you season really well. Even the eyes, eyeball, but don't ruin the eyeball. Eyeball gives you nice look into the plate. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna place up in my baking tray. So as it is, the season should be on the top. And then turn around. Then you're gonna add some seasoning on the top. Then I'm gonna use my rest of the ingredients which I kept for cooking for last. So I got some onion and the whole garlic. So you just place it up top and you're gonna sprinkle with the parsley and some tomato here. So if you want more salt and pepper, make sure you add it well. This is how we seasoning the snapper. If you stand here, you're gonna get the fragrance, the smell of the flavor is so amazing. It's full of smell in this room, guys. I'm gonna cook it for half an hour for 170 degrees. My oven is already up there, it's preheated. So I'm gonna place in this one into the oven for 150 degrees. Oh guys, this is look amazing, and you know that the fish is full of my oven. So it's very warm up here. I'm gonna check this one after 15 minutes. So let's see how it's gonna be look like. I'm gonna close this one now. So this is after 20 minutes, guys. Look guys, oh my god, look at that guys. It's not cooked yet, but the fish is really soft, and all the other ingredients cooking up there. The smell is beautiful guys. It's such an amazing smell coming up from there. Because still not cooked, I can see that guys. So if you want to check this one, you can pull it off these mussels and see it's not it's halfway cooked. So what I want a little bit crunchiness. So if you make a little bit crunchy, that's how you make the beautiful fish. The flavor is gonna be stick to the fish. So we'll leave it for another 15 minutes and we'll check it out later. I'm gonna close it down again. Look, this is after 35 minutes. The fragrance of the fish and the flavor, it's amazing guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn 170 degrees into 200 for 5 minutes. So that's how that crunchiness come out from the fish. On the top of the fish, gonna be crunchy. So we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes for 220 degrees. So then we're gonna take it off. This is after 5 minutes. Altogether I cooked for 40 minutes. Look guys how beautiful this is. This fish is totally ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna serve it this one. So now it's ready to serve. Your party start guys. So look at that. Oh my goodness guys, this fish is so amazing. Oh wow. So this is the baked snapper guys. This is the baked snapper with a lot of flavor in it. Look, this is so beautiful baked fish. If you are not happy to add some chili flakes, you don't have to. You know, even though if you don't add the chili flakes, you're gonna get the same taste. From the chili flakes, it's gonna give you just spiciness, the hotness, that's all. So I want that divine hit through my throat. So that's why I like spicy food. This is kind of in Sri Lankan, Malaysian and Singaporean style. All over the world, people eating hot stuff these days. So I hope you guys really enjoy this one. This dish gonna be about to vanish. So I'm gonna lick this plate. So look guys, this is my favorite segment, the tasting guys. So I was waiting for this one from last 1 hour or so. So I'm gonna taste this one and see what it's the taste like. So I'm gonna grab fish from here. Oh my god, look at this guys, how it is cooked, nicely cooked. This is absolutely beautiful. The flavor, the fragrance. As you eat, the fragrance coming through my nose. It's so yum guys. Usually I love seafood guys. This is amazing. I really work hard for this. Please don't forget to subscribe me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And please don't forget to subscribe me Cooking with the Brown Chef. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Till then, cheers, bye, thanks.